wife mentioned amicus brief. There's been some people, I think there was an individual that filed one of those. I don't know all of the details of that. I need to make sure you get a copy of that if you don't have it already. I think one of the individuals that filed that was Brady. There might even be another one, but I don't even know all that much about what an amicus brief was, but it does occupy discussions of those that are aware of such things. Does that ring a bell with you, amicus brief?
I did get one from somebody, I don't remember, just in the last few days, and it was somebody saying, I am a QUI something, some Latin phrase, and I want to bring to the court's attention that the U.S. attorneys do not have their oath of office, which is certainly, I think, true from what I know about it, and certainly they are therefore disqualified from doing anything, but I don't know how to force that issue. I've read a little bit on that years ago. In that, I think it's called amicus brief, which means a friend, amicable.
Oh, right.
I think that's what it, anyway. This guy had said, Judge, I want you to take this, file this on this case. He said, if Ken Hovind does not agree, then I can come in some other way. So my answer is yes, I want people to do that if it doesn't have to involve me. It's like a person saying, hey, this guy's, he's tied to the tree, he can't come to trial, but I want to file in his behalf. Or not actually in his behalf, I just want, as a neighbor, as a friend, to say, look, we've got to stop this. So what little I understood of that thing sounded good. You need to bounce it off Ernie, but I did get one, and if I heard the name, I would remember it, the guy's name.
Brady? Is it Brady?
I don't think so. I've got it upstairs.
There could be multiple ones. That's okay. I think Brady did file one, and maybe there was another one filed as well. There's another topic before it slips my mind, and that is there's a group called Tanner, and they've been doing some work on your behalf as well to promote your case and to mail congressmen. And they've sent me a few emails about making sure that I read to you the letter from the ACLJ, Jay Sekulou's organization, and I didn't respond in the time frame I think some people expect, and so all these conspiracy theories arise about I'm trying to keep information from you. So I took the letters that they have sent me to read to you, but I think they're too long to read. It's one page. It's basically it's basically the American Center for Law and Justice cover letter about how they would like to further engage this case, and I got it not only from a guy by the name of Tanner, but also a guy by the name of Michael Jackson. So I printed those off, and those are being mailed to you very shortly, and so you'll be able to read them firsthand and make whatever decision you think is appropriate. But it certainly is not me trying to keep anything from you. It's like we're very grateful for all of the public support, but at the same time, there's we're getting inundated and we're challenged with dealing with just the magnitude of stuff, and it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's a good problem to have.
That sounds great.
So
I look forward to reading that.
Yep.
Yeah, you and Ernie and Coach work out as far as, if Rollo says, hey, yes, I'll do it, I need $20,000, I think that's what he'll be instead of $100,000. Okay.
Well, I'm going to go. Let me hold on. My wife will confess that I pay like triple of anything that should be paid for. I don't know how to negotiate or barter anything,
Okay.
So, but we'll continue those conversations with Mike Rollo. You're going to get the letter from Jay Sekulow. We'll continue the conversations with Coach Dave. We're going to try to get Ernie involved because we want Ernie to be a part of all of these discussions. And I'm going to ask that everyone that has information on attorneys, because this is so critical that it be done quickly, that they set up a collect account with you, because I feel like I'm kind of being, I don't want to be the slow guy that doesn't pass along some critical information. So anybody listening to this, you need to set up a collect account, and we'll have Kent talk to you directly, because I want to make sure that all these people that have great ideas, I don't want to lose any great ideas.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Well, I don't know if we got any other attorney stuff. I could stop inside. I do have a letter from Nico if we want to use the rest of the time on this call. He said that he has some questions and comments. I haven't even read it yet. We'll find out together, but he called the message questions for Ken Hovind.
Okay.